Ingredients: 4 chops of onion, 6 tablespoons of rice flour, 16 tablespoons of gram flour, a little bit water, few curry leaves, few chopped coriander, 1 chopped chilli. You can add chilli as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of Ajwain, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt for taste. We have added 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. At the end, we need to add 2 tablespoons of hot oil. Now add all the ingredients except for the water. Friend, mix the ingredients with your hand. Don't add a lot of water, just add little by little. Mix it well. Now turn the 3 tablespoons of hot oil. Make a patty bowl, my dear friends. Fry it till golden color. The onion blend is ready. It's super duper yummy. It's very easy and fast to snack. You can eat with filter coffee or hot tea. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. I love you all. See you next video.